How to create a Facebook business page 2020 full tutorial for beginners. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. So let's get back to how to create a Facebook page. So very simple guys. All you have to do is go on google.com, write Facebook page, click enter. This is the first link. Click over here. Okay, so now you're taken over here. I would select, click on get started. If you're a business or a brand, click over here, get started, page your name. So I'm going to do test one. You can select a category. I would say fashion, whatever your category is, appropriate category. I would select design and fashion. You could write your address and everything. Click continue. So I would say, say Dubai, Jumeirah, Dubai. Write your address, your zip code, your phone number, and continue. And if you do not want to show, just click this button, but this is for demo purposes. Once this is here, you could upload a profile picture. So you could just go on unsplash.com, so you get free images, so you could use that. So I would say model, and just download this image. Once this is done, upload an image, click on downloads, upload this image. So to create a Facebook page, you need to have a Facebook ID. So that's for sure. Then you can upload a cover photo. So uploading a cover photo is really easy. Again, all you have to do is click on Canva. It's a free online tool which you could use to create designs. So I would create design. I would write Facebook over here, and you could see Facebook cover. So you could choose a design. I would say best fashion and then you could write your website name, and down, and then your website name.com. Very easy. And then just download and click download. Once this is done, so now it's preparing. Your cover photo is also completed, which is done. So now this is how your cover photo looks. This is how your profile picture looks, and it's really easy. Now to get your 100 likes, you could see all my friends over here. I could just invite, and then you could start posting it. And posting it is really easy. All you have to do is create over here. Come here, you can create a post. I would again say use Canva. Again, go on templates, go on home. Okay, you can go on templates, and then you could say posters or something like this. You could start posting related to fashion and see what other pages are doing. So if you go fashion pages on Facebook, so this one looks good. So you could see what are they doing. Open them up, see if they are posting anything. So you could see some. So they are selling things up, but then there are memes. So you could just go on fashion memes, because people nowadays love memes. You could start posting all of these things, copy it and paste it. If the chair in your room was an actual person, so see, this looks really funny. So depending on your brand, how you want to portray it, but for me, memes, they really work really well. People engage with memes a lot. Okay, so that's for sure. So this is how you can start inviting your friends, and then you could start posting. And the other method which I show you to get 100 likes is always go on fashion groups. So just type fashion groups. Okay, so click on groups, join all of them. Okay, so they have a lot of members. So let's say for this one, Fashion Glam Fashion Group, as you could see, there are a lot of members. So where is members? But anyways, it has 1755 likes, and you could start posting over here, and then people would start liking your image, and then you could invite them to your Facebook page. That's a good thing. And also in the next video, so guys, I'm coming up with the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you could use Facebook ads to get more engagement to your post, or how you could use Facebook ads to increase your page likes and also get more leads. Okay, so the next video would be that, but this is how you can create your Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page right now, and it's very easy to create, and everything is over here. You could see the insights. So if you post anything, it will show you the engagement, how many page views I got, how many things, how many suggested pages to watch. You could see something like this. These are your competitors, you could see them. So it's very easy. I'm not going to go over ads right now. I'm going to go over that in the next video. If you want to edit your page setting, this is how you can edit. So edit page info. So you can write the description, you can write the phone number, the website, the email. You could locate, you could say if it's a shop, what time does it open, what time does it close. Everything's over here. You could connect your Instagram. You could add more people to manage your page. So there are all these settings over here, but this is how you create a Facebook page. And if you really like the video, please consider subscribing, and if you find it really valuable, please consider subscribing. And that's it, guys. And also, guys, if you go to yawarkhan.com, I've created a free crash course if you're looking to create your own website from scratch. So I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, absolutely for beginners, step by step. It's a free course. So basically what you could do is you could connect your Facebook page with the website, and you could start selling something on websites. And I also show you how you could create an e-commerce website on my Facebook, on my YouTube page. So everything's there. You just need to have your mind, so you could start making more money. But this is how you create your Facebook page. And thank you so much for watching, and I would see you in the next video.